In this video, we will demonstrate how an identity provider like Okta can be used for role-based access control in the Rafay platform. First, we will log into Okta and see that we have an established application connection to Rafay. Next, we will create a user in Okta. Now, we will create a group in Okta with the same name as an existing local group in the Rafay org. Users assigned to the IDP group with the same local group name will inherit the privileges of the local group. Next, we will assign the previously created user to the IDP group. Now, we will assign the application to the group. We will now use the previously created IDP user to log into the Rafay console using single sign-on through the Okta integration. We will now test the permissions of the IDP user. The IDP user is associated to a read-only group and will not be allowed to create resources. Next, we will log into the Rafay console using an org admin user. We will use the permissions of this user to create a new local group with infrastructure administrator permissions and assign the IDP user to this new local group. The IDP user will then assume the union of permissions of both the IDP group and the new local group. We will now verify the groups associated with the IDP user. Finally, we will log back into the Rafay console using the IDP user. We will then attempt to create resources again now that the user has an updated set of permissions that were inherited by being added to the newly created local group.